In this video, I'm going to share how to make concrete countertops and small furniture pieces at home that look pro but won't break the bank or stress you out. Alright, so first off, you want to start with a good mix for your concrete. Use a blend that's designed for smooth finishes, something like a countertop mix or fine-grained concrete. Next, get yourself a sturdy mold or form to pour the concrete into. You can make one from melamine boards or silicone molds for smaller stuff. Don't forget to oil the mold well before pouring. That way, your piece pops out clean without sticking. When mixing, add a little water at a time so your concrete isn't too runny. Consistency is key here. Pour slowly and tap the mold gently to release any air bubbles. You don't want holes or weak spots in your countertop or furniture. Let it cure for at least a week if you can. Patience pays off because this lets the concrete get strong and prevents cracks. After curing, sand down the edges and surface with fine grit sandpaper for that smooth touch. Finally, seal your piece with a quality concrete sealer to protect it from stains and moisture. This also brings out the color and gives it that sleek, finished vibe. One of the biggest mistakes people make is rushing the curing process. If you try to finish too soon, your concrete can crack or chip easily. Another common issue is not properly sealing the concrete, which leaves your countertop or furniture vulnerable to stains and water damage. Lastly, skipping on the mold prep by not oiling it well causes your piece to stick or even break when you try to remove it, which is a total pain because you have to start over. Fix these by giving your concrete plenty of curing time, sealing thoroughly with a good product, and always prepping your mold like you're greasing a pan for pancakes. If you're looking for pros to help with bigger jobs or want to connect with seasoned local contractors who know their stuff, bighomeprojects.com is where it's at. They make it super easy for homeowners to find trusted experts nearby and also help contractors get more gigs without the hassle.